Hey guys, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making mozzarella cheese sticks, and here's the ingredients you need. So I'm making mozzarella cheese sticks because the Super Bowl's tonight. And look, I know when this video comes out, it will not be the Super Bowl. But I'm still making them because they're amazing. And snacks are the best part of the whole Super Bowl. Am I right? Think fast. Give me that ball. The first thing you need to do is put your mozzarella cheese sticks in the freezer for 20 minutes. But I've already done that, so now I'm going to take them out. And they're really yummy. I love mozzarella. And after that, we're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat the oven to 425, which I've already done.
Boom!
Next thing we're going to do is lightly beat the egg. So what we have here is a little assembly line with flour, eggs, panko, and then the baking sheet. So what we're going to do is take a mozzarella cheese stick and dip it in the flour, then the egg, then the panko, and then set it on the baking sheet. So let's do it.
Doesn't that look yummy?
Olive oil spray. I'm going to spray it over the mozzarella cheese sticks so they can be a little bit golden. You don't have to use olive oil spray or any spray, but I'm going to. And now I'm going to sprinkle some salt for taste. These are going to be yummy. Alrighty, now since we're done doing that, we're going to put them in the oven and bake them 6 to 7 minutes until they're golden brown and cheesy, melty, yummy-ish looking. All right, time to clean up. So in honor of the Super Bowl, we're gonna have 2 Super Bowls in one Super Bowl game. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Okay, well, they turned out kind of flat sticks, not cheese sticks. Well, no, cheese flats. But that's okay. I mean, you learn from lessons. It might be because our freezer wasn't cold enough. And it might be because we didn't keep it in long enough. But it's okay, right? I mean, they'll still be good even though they look kind of gross. And mine aren't golden because I decided to take them out before they totally turned to cheese flats. Alright, so now we're going to serve them up. I'm serving them up with marinara sauce because I think that will be good. So, let's get one. Try not to break it. And always get the cheese. This should be a blooper. There it is, a cheese stick. I'm gonna save the rest of these for later for our Super Bowl party, but now we're all gonna have a bite because they look really good. Everyone grab a bite. I'm gonna take Hey, that was mine. Yum. Mmm. 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 Oh, I like it too. Wow. Big success, especially with that sauce. That's what changes it. So what we learned is, even if something looks bad, you can't always judge it by the cover of the book. Because those were amazing, I'm telling you. So, I hope you liked this video and you have a good Super Bowl. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!